Hello, 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 and welcome. It's so good to be here with you. Today, we're talking about a very popular singer. She's just a teen and has experienced success at this young age, like a lot of others through the years. Olivia Rodrigo was born February 20th, 2003, as Olivia Isabel Rodrigo. Her debut single in 2021 was Driver's License. I started hearing about her from students, and my student Alina did a great job with this song in one of our shows. Today we're going to look at the chorus of Driver's License, and I'll give you ideas for recording. They're going to come at the end, so stick around. This song gets to the heart of so many of us. We've all experienced heartbreak in our lives, or can empathize with someone going through a heartbreak, especially teens. And she's a teen, right? You can see in the video, Driver's License, that she likes acting as well as songwriting. Whether she was writing from her own heartache, which from an interview with People magazine, I don't think so, or not writing from her own heartache and breakup. She made you feel it was her pain when she sang her song. This is what I stress with my students. You have to tell the story. Bring the audience in so they feel what you're singing. It is just so important. When it was recorded, she sang it in B flat, but live, I saw her sing it in A. Yes. This is so very smart to do, and good advice I give all the time. Live performance has so many pressures you have to deal with. So it pays to bring your song down if you feel you'll have a problem hitting notes. Now the chorus. Okay, so G minor. La 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 la. She hits that, okay? She hits a D5 and stays around there on the next line. The last line goes down when she does it in the chorus there. So you said forever, now I drive alone past your street. Well, everyone who has ever broken up, had heartache, loved and lost, are going through a breakup now will relate to this last punchline. You said forever. Now I'm alone. That hits the heart. You can feel it. It is a great song. It stays and plays in your head, which is the idea that everyone wants. So the words fit. It's wonderful. A teen, driver's license, and there she's driving now, but she's lost the person that she was happy with. Okay, so now, coming to the end. You ready? Okay. At 1:04, okay? At 1:04, this is the first chorus. And she sings the chorus for the first time. She sings lighter. For you, do the first time in your chorus lighter, more head or falsetto. At 2:05, you hear her bring in more volume and emotion. A little bit of mixed registration is happening, just a little bit. So you can see that building your emotion and increasing your volume will add more dimension to your song. Okay, now, when you get to 3:32 in the song, we come to the end chorus. Here, she reverts back to a lighter tone, but it works because it's more emotional and with different phrasing, very important. In this last chorus, she hits, I'm gone. She hits an F5, okay? Now then, I'm gone, which is wonderful. You can approach your ending chorus this way, or let it reach a peak and be big. It's your choice. Okay? Finally, Olivia repeats the end line, the kicker. This is called a tag. It's a part added to the end of the song as an extra. It tells the listener, it's the end. It brings the song to a close. Notice that Olivia does a slight pause before the last words. This is so effective to have different phrasing here, where you hold back to make a point. And you can do it in different ways. So I'm going to sing for you. You said forever, and wait. Now I drive alone past your street. Or, you say forever, now I drive alone past your street. Okay? Okay. It's up to you what you do at the end. But the most important thing is that you make it your own. That's the thing that I want you to do. So these three positions of the chorus are so neat. They're so wonderful. And you can utilize that in your song as the plane goes by. Did you hear it? I heard it really clear. I'm hoping you didn't hear it. Well, guys, this is what I've got to share with you. And I'm just so glad that you're here. Thank you so much for joining me. Tell me, are you writing your song? Have you decided to utilize the softness in your song in the first chorus and then get bigger in the second and then get lighter at the end? Or did you decide to get big in the end? La 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 at your street. Yeah, you can do whatever you want, but make sure that you make it your own. Love seeing you, and I love my dog, so he's barking. I'm going to have to take him out. There we go. Uh-oh, people are coming by. It's time to say goodbye. Oh my gosh, my buddy is telling me, Mom, woohoo, pay attention. He just sits on the couch. He doesn't move. He just barks. Tell me about your animals. Do you have any animals? I've got lots. Okay, so that is it. Thank you so much for coming. I so appreciate you being here. Now, leave a comment and tell me, did you add a tag to your song? Are you writing some songs? And did you change the choruses? Did you sing them a little bit different now? And think about the three different aspects. The first chorus, the second time you have your chorus, and the last one. Were you loud? Were you soft at the end? All of these are decisions that you want to make. Think about it. Remember, people are listening. They want you to make this song your own. They want to feel what you're feeling in this song. Express it to them through how you sing, whether you're light, you're loud. Okay, ring that bell. Subscribe, okay? And always remember that you need to make your songs your own. And let's see if I can get this up here. Ooh, it is such a day, such a day, such a fine day. Woo! Hey, you have a great day. Looking forward to seeing your comments. Bye.